Hi guys, found this in my stock of stuff. A Telefunken TF MID1001G. I think it was probably my granddaughter's. And I've been looking at it. It's got a little power socket, a USB socket, an HDMI socket, a headphone socket, a memory card slot. I don't have the right power supply for it. I suspect it doesn't work anyway, because that's the sort of reason I would end up with it. And I happen to have some proper tools, spudger. And I've already started having a look at it, and then I thought I really ought to video it. I managed to get in here and lift it up that far. It does appear it's actually glued together, which seems a bit odd. Either that or I'm getting in it the wrong way round. Probably one of those ones where you're supposed to heat it to release the glue. It certainly seems to be coming apart from this side all right. I bet that's what it is. Supposed to heat it to release the glue. That doesn't want to come any further than that. What I want to do is see if I can charge the battery and then see if we can do anything with it. It does seem to be glued. I've never taken an Apple product apart, but I believe they're glued and you have to heat them. There we go. Glued all around the edges. Good size battery. So power goes in, say just there. And some screws there. And there. Probably some under here. Ah, who are we? Ah, well, there you go. Go around in a big circle, don't they? Oh, for those of you who don't know, I bought a Huawei phone a while back, just as a spare to do some stuff that I didn't want to load onto my own phone. So, yeah. Well, we're in, and there's the battery. So I could literally desolder it there and charge it up. 3.7 volts, 8,000 milliamp hour. That might be an option. Just desolder it. Put some connectors on there so I can charge it separately and plug it back in again. And then see if we can get into it. I seem to remember I had a look at it and it did power up, but she'd got a password on it and she apparently couldn't remember what the password was, so we couldn't get into it anyway. But if there's any way of resetting it to factory status and then working from there, it might be a usable item. And that's the headphone socket there. That looks like a microphone hole just there. As I say, that's the power in just there. Can't understand why they didn't just make it USB powered. It does have an old style USB socket, but that's not for powering it. Anyway, that'll do for now. That's just a little taster of something I'll be doing in background. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.